Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and today we're showing you a 1985 Tomos Bullet moped. It's got 303 miles on it, and we're going to do a cold start. We're going to ride up and down the driveway. So pretty simple. You just got the run switch here. I just turn the gas on. The way you kick it, it's like almost like a regular kickstart. It's backwards. It's cold. I'll warm up here for a second before we take off. Brakes work very good. Horn works. Can't tell if the high or low beam's working. The lights are on. Kind of a little bit. Probably as you rev it up, it'll probably get a little brighter. So, idle's nice. Sometimes when you shift, it's better to let off because it's not good. It gets this little shake and then it shifts. But if you let off when it's about to shift, it's fine. So, got a nice little stash pouch under here. Nice little stash pouch under here if you're traveling. Nice little rack. I think this is probably an air pump. Just got this in with a little collection here. We didn't even wash it or anything. It's really nice shape. I had something very similar. I still have it at home. I don't ride it much, but when I was about 14, I got my moped license here in Ohio. So it's always a lot of fun. First little taste of freedom to go where you want to go, when you want to go on the back roads. But these Tomos are really good, really solid, and it looks to be original paint and everything, and the stickers are really nice, VIN tags and everything really nice. So we're gonna be offering this for sale. We also have a good little stash of Tomos parts available separately. If there's something you're looking for, or you wanted a spare something, or so that can also be discussed as well. So hope you like our little moped. They're a lot of fun to ride. I forgot how much fun they are. So smiles for miles.